Today, I will share 10 modern business ideas that anyone can start in 2026.
First business idea is an AI content creation agency. Companies now need AI videos, images, and social media
Second
content.
idea is print on demand. You sell custom products without keeping any stock.
The third business idea is online courses and digital education. If you have skills, you can sell knowledge
Number
online.
4 is social media automation services. Businesses want growth with less
Fifth idea is a niche e-commerce store. Selling to a specific audience increases trust
Number
and
6
profit.
is freelancing and digital services. Your skills can earn money
Seventh
globally.
idea is YouTube automation. AI allows you to run channels without showing your
Number 8
face.
is mobile app or SaaS business. One solution can create recurring
The ninth
income.
idea is digital marketing agency. Every business needs online visibility.
The final idea is affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn passive
Choose
income.
one idea, start today, and stay consistent. Your future depends on your action.